So as you can see, I was finally able to reach 5 stars here on my park in Waterpark Simulator. So how did I do it? And by the way, it took me about 20 hours to be able to reach to this point. So I would really recommend to you to start researching the park. Let's see where it is actually. I'm just gonna show you. So you can see the park size level here. Make sure that every time you're able to expand your park, that you do so, because by doing that and building on the new parks, you will attract even more guests, which is going to help you to fulfill your quest a lot easier, because it's all about actually attracting as many guests as you possibly can, because then you will be able to easily fulfill the quests. Even if it's going slow and bad for you, maybe you don't have that much staff and you have a lot of guests, it's still going to help you to reach your goals faster. So that is how I was able to get a five star park in Water Park Simulator.